Excuse the mess. I thought I'd just do a real quick video because just to follow up from the last one that I did where I was trying to make ribs in the floor pan, or the seat pan, or whatever you want to call this section in here, whatever you want to call that, rear seat pan, I don't know, anyway, but trying to make the ribs. You saw me do total failure with banging it into some wood. So a couple of things have happened in the last couple of days. One is I've made this, which is a metal brake. Works okay, not too bad. I've got to adjust it slightly with some washers to raise this section up a little bit. The hinges are a little slightly different height, but it's doing the job. However, it doesn't help me with making ribs because I can't manipulate the metal through there well enough. So that's great. This is going to be useful, but it's not going to be any cop for this. So then we went a different way. I'm just going to put my gloves on because this metal is pretty hot. So I've made this contraption. What is this, you might ask? Well, this is the inside of the rib. So this is like a die that will push down. And this side is the inner of the rib. And the idea is that you put the metal between the two and clamp down on it. I'm now at the point, having just welded this up, I think, to be able to give it a test drive with some metal and see if this approach works. If this doesn't work, then it's probably time to give it a rest and decide I need a bead roller. But if this works, then it will have been worth the effort. So you're along with the journey with me. So I'm crunching it down as hard as I can. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, and we're undoing. And not really. What a disappointment. So you can see it's kind of done it. And give it one more go. Let's give it one more go. But I don't think I'm going to be able to apply more pressure than I was applying. This is a real strange looking thing. Let's try this again. Okay, let's get that back in there again. Assembled. And let me go. Hear it going crunch, which you would think is a good thing. That's about as tight as that's going to go. Well, you can see it's done something. It's done something. I wonder if the die was higher, it would do more. I don't think that needs to be any deeper, but possibly this die needs to be deeper, as in go down deeper. So I've got a decision to make whether I give it up as a bad job or take it forward and see if I can modify this to make it a little bit more proud. I've got a little bit of metal left. Possibly could try. Thank you. I thought I'd just bring you along for the journey, and see you on the next one.